Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. In today's episode, we're talking about how you can start making money by making handmade jewelry. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can make money by making handmade jewelry. Now, many people think that it takes a lot of skill and items to be able to do this, but I'm here to tell you no, it does not. It's something that can be done very simply and cheaply, and you can still make a profit. I myself am somebody who makes handmade jewelry of various types as well, and have sold some of my items on Etsy, ranging in price between $5 and $25 a piece. So, what does it take for you to be able to make handmade jewelry in order to start making money? Well, simply, it depends on what kind of jewelry you want to make and how much time it's going to take you to do it. Now, if you've got dexterity in your fingers and able to string beads, you can start making jewelry right now very inexpensively to make a profit. All you need is some stringing material, beads or charms, pendants, depending on what kind of jewelry you want to make, whether it's a wristband, a necklace, or earrings, or even maybe barrettes or something to that effect. Doesn't take a lot of supplies. You can get them fairly cheaply at various different craft stores and trade shops, online and offline. You, for instance, can buy charms or pendants in bulk anywhere between $5 and upwards of $20 or more, depending on the material and style that you're going for, whether it's a large charm or pendant or a smaller one. Either way, for a small investment, you can get a nice profit in return. For instance, I make Native American craft work, whether it's necklaces or wristbands, belts. There's a number of different things that I hand make myself, and it's very inexpensive to do. Stringing materials, you buy a thing of the string material that you choose to work with, which can range anywhere between $2 and $8 a spool. Then you need your beads, charms, or pendants. Those again can range anywhere between $2 and upwards of $20 or more, depending on size and material that they're made of and what you're trying to do with them. Then all it takes is the time to put them together. Same thing with earrings. All you need is the earring backers, which you can buy in bulk as well. And they come in a variety of different types, whether they're J hooks or whether they're post earrings. Fairly inexpensive. You can get those at craft stores or trade shops online and offline. And then as long as you have an idea for a pattern that you want to go for, you can string them onto them, and then voila, you can make matching earrings to match a necklace or a wristband or a complete bundle of all three. And then you can make a profit off of one item, two items, or even a bundle pack of all three. You can sell your items online through your social media pages like Twitter or Facebook, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, eBay, and many other different sites out there. Amazon even has its own handmade store on their site. There's plenty of options for you to be able to sell and market your handmade jewelry. If you'd like to have more information on this in a greater detail, I highly recommend checking out my blog. I have an article on this where it goes into way more detail, giving you suggestions on where you can buy supplies and how you can sell them as well. Go over to consultablindguy.com/blog and you'll be able to find the article there. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated if you have comments or questions. Go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope to see you here in one of the upcoming live streams or webinars. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you next time.